If you regularly use Samsung Good Lock, there's an awesome new QuickStar update that lets you fully customize your Quick panel, including adding your own photos, customizing buttons, and changing the entire control panel style. It's one of the biggest customization upgrades in One UI 8.5 for all Samsung Galaxy users. First, make sure everything is up to date. Open the Galaxy Store. Tap the menu icon, top left corner. Go to Updates. Check for the QuickStar update. Once updated, you're good to go. Open Samsung Good Lock. Scroll down and tap on QuickStar. Now go into Edit Panel Style. This is where all the new customization options are. Change the control panel style, including brightness, volume, and media player to your Samsung Galaxy. You can see 3 sections: Controls, Buttons, and Borders. In the Control section, change the look of Button Box, Media Player, Brightness Slider, Volume Slider. Tap the plus icon and select the photo from your gallery you want to set. Tap Apply to save it. Apply all the image you want to set. In the Buttons section, you can set images to quick settings buttons like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, airplane mode, flashlight, etc. In the Borders section, show borders only when custom items are on. Just toggle on the show border and swipe down the notification panel to view the border. Makes the panel look more structured and modern. Go back and tap Advanced Settings. Toggle on show bar levels, brightness and volume level indicators with numbers to your Samsung phone. Swipe down the notification panel twice and you can see the numbers. That's it for this video.